Welcome to EZGlutenFree. Today we're making a treat that's 1 part brownie, 1 part Reese's peanut butter cup, and 1 part peanut butter chocolate chip cookie for an end result that's 100% delicious. Now to get started, line a cupcake tin with 12 paper liners. Now to make the cookie dough, stir together 2/3 of a cup of gluten-free flour, and I used Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 baking blend with 1/4 teaspoon each of both baking powder and baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, then set this aside. Now cream together 1/4 cup each of well softened butter and creamy peanut butter with 1/2 cup of brown sugar until it's smooth, then add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. Now continue to mix until you have a smooth mixture, then add the flour mixture. Continue to mix until you've got a soft dough, then stir in 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Now divide the dough evenly among the 12 liners and use a chilled Reese's cup to press the dough down into the bottom, then set this aside while we mix the brownie batter. And to make that batter, in a medium microwave safe bowl, melt 3/4 cup of butter, then add in 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 room temperature eggs, and whisk until all these ingredients are well combined. Next, add in 1/2 cup of gluten-free flour that has 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder added in, and stir until the wet and dry ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Now divide this decadent looking brownie batter evenly among the 12 liners. Now tap the pan a few times to get out any air bubbles and bake it for 22 to 24 minutes depending on your oven. Now allow them to cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. And when you take your first bite of these, you'll realize this has to be one of the best uses of that leftover Halloween candy you'll find this year. And I actually made these quick cookie bites because my good friends Steve and Michelle from Steve's Kitchen came to visit all the way from Australia. This had to be the craziest surprise of the century, but we're having a little bit of fun here. And if you need a printed copy of this recipe, you could always visit my blog at the link below. And for brand new recipes every week, don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon.